Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and go blonde in FaceApp. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, so let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official FaceApp application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone. Open up the App Store, search for FaceApp, find the application and install it. So after installing it, opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by, from where we can get started with selecting the photos that we want to edit, either using the camera roll option right here at the bottom of the screen or uploading directly from our photo gallery. So once you've found your picture that you want to go ahead and turn blonde, you're going to tap on it right here. It's going to open it up in this editor mode, and now we can get started. So here at the bottom of the screen we can find the scroll option to find all the features we can use for our edit filters, and we're going to find one option that says hair colors. This is what we're going to tap. And now guys, as you can see, once you open up hair colors, it's going to give you all the colors that you can go ahead and edit yourself into. Multiple of them require the pro subscription, so keep that in mind. But as you can see here, we have the blonde option that is free, so you can click on blonde, and by clicking on blonde is going to enable us to turn ourselves blonde. You can go and drag to see how blonde you want it to be and how effective you want it to be, and basically this is how it's done. So if you're satisfied and you want to save this image to your camera roll, just go into the upper right corner, click on save it, and this is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.